Turkey is a country where East meets West, offering a rich blend of history, culture, and stunning landscapes. At its heart lies Istanbul, a city straddling two continents where ancient traditions and modern life flow together. Istanbul's skyline dazzles with domes and minarets, and at its center stands the majestic Hagia Sophia, a monument of faith and architecture, once a church, then a mosque, and now a symbol of Turkey's layered past. Beyond the cities, Turkey boasts some of the world's most beautiful beaches, from the turquoise shores of Antalya to the hidden coves of Fethi and Bodrum. These coastlines offer sun, sea, and serenity, perfect for relaxation or adventure. But what truly defines Turkey is its people, warm, welcoming, and proud of their heritage. Whether you're sipping tea in a local bazaar or being invited to a family meal, the Turkish spirit is deeply rooted in hospitality and kindness. Turkey, and especially Istanbul, is more than a destination. It's an experience shaped by beauty, history, and human warmth.